foundation of clean, built from a single, unyielding sheet of galvanized steel. Efficiency begins with engineering, redesigning power for silent, enduring motion.
The protective layer. Lightweight and acoustically engineered to minimize external noise.
Tons of force compress the metal, giving the steel its first dimension. The side panel is born. Engineered rigidity for maximum anti-vibration performance.
The electrical heart. Building the core of the direct drive system with absolute winding precision.
Maximum efficiency. The density of the copper winding dictates the power and silent operation.
The water passage. Creating thousands of micro holes in the drum without compromising the stainless structure.
Textile care. Holes engineered for maximum water flow and minimal fabric abrasion.
The water containment.
A high-density polymer shell designed to dampen vibration and isolate noise.
A seamless, permanent seal. Water containment guaranteed for the lifetime of the machine. The suspension system. Engineered to absorb the rotational energy of high-speed spinning. The science of silence. Viscosity calibrated for optimum kinetic energy conversion. The user interface. Placing the thousands of control points for seamless interaction. Forging the connection matrix. Heat ensures every command input is permanent. The skeletal structure. Cold-rolled steel, shaped for maximum stiffness and minimal vibration.
A rigid platform, ready to house the drum and absorb the kinetic energy of spinning.
Fusion of strength. Robotic precision ensures a seam stronger than the surrounding steel.
The final molecular bond. Structural integrity guaranteed against decades of stress.
Stripped clean. Preparing the surface for corrosion-proof coating.
The outer defense. Electrostatically charging the metal for a uniform, durable, corrosion-proof coating. A flawless, protective layer, ready for the heat treatment that sets the color and seal.
Into the cure. Melting the powder into a hard, impact-resistant finish that lasts for decades.
The exterior is complete. A robust, elegant shell, ready to house the power within.
Ready for the core components. The direct drive system is next.
Sealing the core. Protecting the motor from humidity and vibration stress at the molecular level.
Permanent placement. The core is now fixed within its engineered acoustic shell. The power source. Calibrating the magnetic field density for maximum torque and absolute speed control.
Tolerance of micrometers. Ensuring zero friction and maximum magnetic coupling for the direct drive system. The LG Direct Drive. Simple, reliable, and fundamentally silent. The heart of the machine. The inner wash drum. Shaping highly durable stainless steel into the perfect textile vessel.
Precision welding. A continuous seam that eliminates internal snags and prevents corrosion points. The lifters. Designed to optimally tumble and redistribute the load for maximum wash performance. The critical support. The cast aluminum spider transfers the drum's momentum directly to the direct drive motor.
Torque assurance. Every bolt is tightened to factory specification, guaranteeing stability and reducing vibration.
Dynamic measurement. Testing the assembly at maximum rotational speed to detect microscopic imbalances.
Precision correction. Identifying the exact vector and mass required to achieve perfect centrifugal harmony. The rotational interface. High-grade, permanently sealed bearings designed to withstand thousands of cycles. The critical fit. Precise pressure ensures zero lateral movement and absolute concentricity. The dual chamber. The stainless inner drum finds its home within the sound-dampening outer shell. Direct coupling, eliminating friction, noise, and wear associated with traditional belt systems. Kinetic isolation. High-tensile steel springs manage the massive potential energy of the spinning drum. A fail-safe mount, engineered to endure the dynamic stresses of unbalanced loads. Full system integration. The heart of the washing machine is now suspended within its protective shell. Waterproofing the front, creating a perfect, long-lasting barrier against leaks and moisture ingress. The critical seal. Huemel Precision ensures the door gasket creates an airtight, watertight chamber. Mass for stability. These colossal weights absorb residual vibration, even during peak spin speed. Immovable mass. Anchoring the counterweight to the chassis ensures the machine remains centered and silent.
The core machine is complete, a triumph of engineered strength and silent, efficient power.
The flow control. Installing the precision solenoid valve that manages water quantity and temperature. Pressure tested, ensuring a permanent, leak-proof seal against maximum waterline pressure.
The evacuation system. Installing the high-efficiency drain pump designed for rapid, residue-free water removal.
Annual integrity check, ensuring the hose connection endures constant flow and temperature changes. The dosing system, assembling the chamber that dispenses precise amounts of detergent and softener. Precision rinse, ensuring no residue is left behind in the dispenser system. Installing the brain, the core intelligence that controls the direct drive motor and wash algorithms. Protected intelligence, shielding the electronics from the high humidity environment of the laundry room. The aesthetic face, unifying the structure with the elegant exterior panel. Structural commitment. Bolted rigidity ensures zero flexing during high-speed spinning.
The interface shield. Protecting the electronics while providing a clean, aesthetic touch surface.
Seamless aesthetics, designed to blend into the modern laundry environment. The door support. Heavy-duty steel hinges built to handle thousands of open and close cycles. Tension verified, ensuring the door closes with a satisfying airtight seal. Structural enclosure, sealing the inner workings within the sound-dampening, rigid outer casing.
The ultimate seal test, pressurizing the system to ensure zero external leakage at all connection points.
Leak integrity confirmed. Protecting the home environment with engineered seals. Testing rotational balance before installation of the final casing. Smooth, centered motion. Sealing the rear. The final structural panel is installed, adding to the machine's rigidity. Bolted security, ensuring maximum noise isolation and structural integrity during transport and use. The final clean, preparing the aesthetic surface for the customer's home. Aesthetic perfection. Zero scratches, zero flaws on the user interface.
The signature of quality. The mark of efficiency and innovation.
The machine is complete, ready for the final layer of protection and the journey to its new home. The ultimate stability check, testing the direct drive anti-vibration system against forces exceeding normal load. Kinetic energy isolation. The suspension system dampens every movement, ensuring silent operation. Measuring the quiet. The direct drive motor eliminates belt noise, achieving near-silent performance.
Certified silence. Performance without intrusion in the living environment.
Energy efficiency verified. The inverter technology consumes only the exact power needed for the load.
Interface reliability. Testing the touch sensitivity and response of every control input. Moisture resistance assured. Protecting the core electronics from the humid laundry environment. Clean dispensing confirmed. Ensuring every drop of detergent reaches the clothes, not the tray. Cosmetic and structural seal verification. Ensuring every exterior piece fits flawlessly. Protecting the aesthetic face. Shielding the glossy surfaces from transport damage. Clean separation. Ensuring the customer can remove the film easily and perfectly. The transit lock. Securing the inner drum structure to prevent shock damage during global logistics. User safety assurance. A clear reminder to prepare the machine for its first wash. The base protection. Adding shock absorption to the machine's lowest point for transit. Cased for transport. The final protective shell is applied. External integrity assured. The packaging is secured against movement and stress. Tamper-proof seal. Guaranteeing the factory-perfect quality remains untouched.
Optimized for global demand. The logistics network is ready for deployment.
The transfer is complete. From the factory floor, the promise of clean is delivered. The production cycle rests. The journey of the machine begins. Across the nation and the world. Reliable transport that honors the quality within. The final transfer. Arriving at the point of choice.
The unboxing experience. Unveiling the machine that will bring clean silence to the home.
A design statement. Engineered performance meets minimalist elegance. Intuitive command. Ready to start the first perfect wash cycle.
The perfect wash begins. Silent, balanced motion powered by the direct drive core.
The intelligence activates. The AIDD system senses load volume and fabric softness to optimize the cycle.
Personalized care. The machine tailors the movement pattern to protect your clothes while maximizing clean.
Turbo wash speed. Injecting high-pressure water for faster saturation and rinsing efficiency. Targeted delivery. Utilizing powerful streams to cut through detergent residue. Simulating hand care. The direct drive motor executes delicate, precise movements for fabric protection. Targeting tough stains. Harnessing powerful motion to achieve deep cleaning penetration.
Performance without intrusion. The engineering ensures the machine is felt, not heard.
Control in your hands. Monitoring, diagnosing, and managing the wash cycle remotely. Seamless network. The machine is always connected, ready for software updates and diagnostics.
Maintaining purity. The self-cleaning cycle prevents bacteria buildup and odor transfer.
Engineered for longevity and hygiene, ensuring the internal components remain factory clean. The power of purity. Steam treatment sanitizes and removes deep allergens from the fabric.
Harnessing thermal energy. A chemical-free solution for sensitive skin and deep hygiene.
Water efficiency tested. ensuring zero residual detergent is left in the final rinse.
The final setup. Achieving perfect leveling is the last step to ultimate quiet performance.
The result of precision engineering. Clean clothes that feel fresh, soft, and perfectly cared for.
Fabric care perfected. Extending the life and vibrancy of every textile.
Seamless integration. The machine awaits your command wherever you are.
Proactive care. Smart diagnosis ensures the longevity of your machine and minimizes service calls.
The aesthetic commitment. Clean lines, flawless finish, a beautiful addition to any modern home.
Material harmony. Engineering two distinct materials to look and feel monolithic. The final seal. A smooth action, a perfect, secure close. The story of engineering is told. The legacy of clean begins now.
Beyond power, beyond silence. This is the new standard of clean.
you